How long will it take to get my bankruptcy discharge, and what are the factors involved? Well, quite simply, let me say, in a Chapter 13, you're allowed to get your bankruptcy discharge after completion of the plan. That could be anywhere from 36 to 60 months. You're not going to go beyond 60 months. So worst case scenario, you're going to get your discharge at the end of your payments, 60 monthly payments. Now, in a Chapter 7, it's a little bit different. Usually you get your bankruptcy discharge in 5 to 6 months after the day of filing, unless something's holding it up. But there's no factors involved which would allow you to get it quicker. In other words, you can't do anything to get it quicker unless, in a Chapter 13, you've asked the court for a hardship discharge. And there you have qualifications you have to meet in order for the judge to say, yes, you are eligible for the hardship discharge. Or you complete the payments of your plan sooner. But our judge is a little bit reluctant to let people out of the plan unless it's a 100% plan. And that does happen. I mean, we had a case a long time ago, and I'm just using this as an example, it's not typical, where we had about, I don't know, $60,000 of unsecured claims, and only one creditor actually filed a claim. And that creditor was like $2,000. So what turned out was, started out as like maybe a 5 cent on the dollar plan, actually turned into a 100% plan, and the person paid it off in like 6 months, and they got their Chapter 13 discharge. Weird things happen sometimes. I don't know why, I don't know where, I don't know how, but that happened. So, cases that start out where we're going to pay 20 cents on the dollar to the unsecured creditors could turn into a 100% case. And it does happen. If you do pay off your bankruptcy early, meaning a Chapter 13 plan early, then you're entitled to your discharge. You can be entitled to your discharge as soon as the case is confirmed. You get confirmed one day, the next day you get your discharge because everything's been paid and there's no more money to be distributed. Alternatively, though, 99.9% of cases are going to go through and you're going to pay out your plan. If you're not eligible for the hardship and you're not eligible for an early termination in some way, shape, or form, then you're going to pay out the plan and you're going to get your discharge. But there's no factors that you can do to try to accelerate the way you pay your plan. And quite frankly, I would always advise against that. If, for example, you want to take money out of your 401k and pay off your bankruptcy, and the judge says, well, I still want you in the bankruptcy anyway until your plan is completed, then why'd you do it? I would always encourage people to just, if you're continue working, continue paying your money, work through your plan. If budget changes, I need to know, but let's get back into the rhythm of things and just keep everything flowing, okay?